Welcome back, English Sprout learners. It's Tuesday, November 4th, 2025. Today we're learning the difference between there, and there. They sound the same, but they don't mean the same thing. So let's dive in. First, we have there. There is a place or existence. It's used to point to a place, also used to show something exists, more like a point of reference. For example, there is a book on the table. Another example is, please sit over there. Next, we have their. Their means it belongs to them, their possession. Now, a trick. Replace there with my, your, to check if it makes sense. If it makes sense, then use their. An example is, their dog is very cute. Another example, they brought their homework. Next, there. There is a contraction. It's they are. So here's another trick. If you can say they are, use their. Now, here are two examples. They're going to school now. They're my best friends. Now, here's a quick summary chart for your reference. Now, there is a place or an existence. And an example for you is, there is a cat. Next, you have there. Shows possession. It belongs to them. An example is, their shoes are new. And last but not least, there. They are, the contraction. They're happy today is an example of they are. Now, quiz time. Please fill in the blank. Number 1, blank going to the park. Number 2, put the box over. And 3, car is red. Now for the answers. They're going to the park. Another way you could say it is, they are going to the park. 2, put the box over there. 3, their car is red. Great job today. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can check out English Sprout's site for lessons, worksheets, and teaching materials designed for English learners. If you have any questions or would like to book a speaking session or a tutoring session, please feel free to email us at englishwordsprout@gmail.com. We're here to help you improve your English with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.